What's up guys, have to add shaking for Cinemachine and see how it all works. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. An example of using the shake in a hyper-casual game where we turn it on when you see it hitting a wall. In the Cinemachine setting we can control the shaking camera, changing amplitude and frequency gain. Now let's write a script to measure these parameters. We will create a method where through a timer we will control the intensity of shaking. Now let's add a shake to the food selection and see how it works. This can also be inserted to check the vibration in the Unity editor, which we will do. We launch and check, and we see that everything works fine. You can only adjust the intensity of shaking. Even in Cinemachine we can adjust the noise for our own shaking, or we can simulate walking and tilting the surface, and this gives our game a sense of reality. We have parameters here for position and rotation, and this is also a random checkbox for each of the axes. Now we will try to set up a simulated tilt and tear it to running. When we have everything set up, now we write the functionality for management. And now turn on while walking and turn off while stopping. Now let's see what happens. As we can see, everything works, and we can now easily add it to our games of any genre for walking in first person or behavior on the surface on the water. Thank you for watching to the end. Write in the comments what you would like to see in hyper-casual games, as well as tasks that interested you.